In this video, you'll learn how to create a team space in Notion. By following these steps, you will be able to organize your projects and collaborate more effectively with your team. Begin by navigating to the Notion website by entering notion.so into your web browser's address bar. After pressing enter, the homepage will load, displaying various features and options available within Notion. Once the homepage is displayed, locate and click on your profile icon, which is typically found in the top left corner of the screen. This action will reveal a drop-down menu providing access to personal settings and options. Next, from the drop-down menu, select Settings. This will open a new window where you can configure various preferences and settings associated with your Notion account. After accessing the settings, look for the Teamspaces option on the left sidebar. Clicking on this will redirect you to a section dedicated to managing your team spaces within Notion. Once in the Team Spaces section, you will see an option labeled Manage Team Spaces. Click on this to view all the team spaces you have access to, along with options to create or manage them. Following this, click on Manage All Team Spaces you have access to here. This action will direct you to a comprehensive list of your existing team spaces, allowing you to manage them effectively. Now, click on New Team Space to initiate the creation of a new workspace. This button is typically prominently displayed and will guide you to the setup process for your new team space. After clicking New Team Space, select Create a New Team Space from the subsequent options. This will open a form where you can enter the details for your new team space. At this point, you will see a message indicating that team spaces are where your team organizes pages, permissions, and members. This information is essential for understanding the purpose of the team space you're about to create. Next, click on Icon and Name to customize the appearance of your team space. This will allow you to choose an icon and specify a name that reflects your team's identity. After selecting icon and name, you'll be prompted to choose an icon from a selection provided. Browse through the options and click on the icon that best represents your team. Then type a name for your team space in the designated field. This name should be clear and descriptive to ensure all team members understand its purpose. Following this, click on Description to add additional context about the team space. This description can help clarify the objectives and usage of the space for current and future team members. Type in your description in the provided text area. This information will assist team members in understanding the team's goals and how to utilize the space effectively. Once you have entered the description, click on Create Team Space to finalize the setup. This action will initiate the creation process and may take a moment to complete, so please wait for confirmation. After the team space is created, you will be directed to the Team Space homepage. Click on your new team space to access it and start working within this dedicated. To begin organizing your projects, click on Add New Page to create your first page within the team space. This page will serve as the foundation for your team's collaborative efforts. Finally, navigate back to Teamspace Home to view all your projects and pages. This will help you manage and oversee the tasks within your new team space effectively. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.